Welcome to Burmawala Kitchen. Today we're diving into the world of flavors with an incredibly appetizing dish featuring aubergine and yogurt. This side dish is an absolute must-try, and the best part? It's not only simple but bursting with deliciousness. Let's start by prepping our aubergine. I've got this whopper of an aubergine here, but you can use a couple of smaller ones if that's what you've got in your kitchen. Cut it into small uniform cubes to ensure even cooking and flavor distribution. Grab a sturdy pan. We're going to infuse it with a 1/4 cup of oil over medium heat. Once it's heated up, let those diced aubergines have a good fry for about 5 minutes. As they start to soften and take on that gorgeous golden hue, we'll introduce 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of gram flour. This combo is all this dish needs. Simple, yet it packs a flavorful punch. Allow the aubergine to cook further for an additional 10 minutes until they're tender and most of the moisture has evaporated. Now lower the heat, cover the pan, and let them gently simmer for 15 minutes. We're aiming for that sweet spot where they're soft on the inside but still hold their shape beautifully. You'll know it's perfect when you see that ideal texture. Soft but not mushy. Once done, transfer these beautifully cooked aubergines to a heatproof Pyrex bowl. Here comes the creamy goodness. Pour in 3 cups of full-fat yogurt right on top. This adds a luxurious texture and a cool contrast to the warm aubergines. Now let's get that Tadka going. It's where the magic happens. In another pan, let's be generous with 2 tablespoons of ghee. Every drop counts. Ghee is liquid gold in the culinary world. Toss in thinly sliced onions and let them sizzle away until they turn that delightful translucent gold. Next in line is the star of the show, 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. As they hit the pan, their aroma starts to infuse the onions, bringing out an irresistible fragrance and flavor. Keep a watchful eye. We're aiming for that perfect balance between golden and not overly browned onions. Once the Tadka is just right, pour it generously over the creamy yogurt and aubergines. The result? A marriage of flavors that's nothing short of amazing. This dish is not just a sidekick. It's the hero of your meal. You can savor it just as it is, or pair it with some lightly toasted bread to mop up those delicious flavors. Thank you for joining me in this culinary adventure. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, consider sharing it with your friends, leaving a thumbs up, dropping a comment, and subscribing for more exciting recipes on my channel. Happy cooking, everyone.